Philly cheesesteak grilled cheese sandwich combination. I've got a steak pocket here. I've cut an incision to create a nice opening here, and I'm going to coat the inside with garlic oil and Parmesan cheese. This is going to create a really tender seared outside, as well as a creamy cheese inside with peppers on the inside and some caramelized onions. We're going to go with provolone cheese to make it extra ooey gooey to get that super duper cheese pull that we're looking for at the end. Sweet caramelized onions on the inside. Gonna coat the outside with barbecue spice in order to get that extra flavorful sear. Some more garlic oil that we use to coat on the inside is gonna go on the outside to sear on the plancha. And now we've got cheese in between two pieces of white bread, your favorite white bread for a grilled cheese sandwich, and we're going to coat it in garlic oil to get a beautiful sear on the outside. So we've got grilled cheese, Philly cheesesteak, peppers and onions, we've got your vegetables, you've got your starch and protein. This is a balanced meal. We're going to sear it on both sides until the cheese is melted and the steak is medium rare on the outside, perfect golden brown crispiness on the outside of that grilled cheese. And now look at this cheese on the inside of our steak pocket, and look, perfect medium rare. The reason why we do the steak pocket is to ensure that it's nice and medium rare on the inside so the cheese melts. Now we're going to spread a nice ranch sauce on the inside of our grilled cheese. So we've got ranch, Philly cheesesteak, grilled cheese. We're going to cut and see what we've got for a cross section on this beautiful medium rare juicy Philly cheesesteak sandwich.